Right, we have some breaking news coming in right now. It's a big development in the Sabrimala gold theft case. It's an arrest. The special investigation team probing the gold theft case is questioning former Travancore Devaswam board president A. Padma Kumar. In fact, former MLA Padma Kumar has been arrested in this case. Top CPM leader Padma Kumar has been arrested in the Sabrimala gold theft case. And this is the big update we have right now. The left is under scanner as far as the Sabrimala gold theft case is concerned. Power TV getting you the big update, the latest update. First on Republic TV, big lead in the Sabrimala gold theft case. Our top CPM leader, Padma Kumar, has been arrested. In this case, SIT investigating this case has arrested Padma Kumar. Former board secretary S. Jayashree was also summoned and she might be also arrested. Her arrest is also likely. The decision to take the gold-plated panels of the Dwarpalaka idols and door frames to Chennai for maintenance work was taken when Padma Kumar was the president. And in the minutes, the golden panels were recorded as mere copper ones, and it was done by Jayashree with the consent of Padma Kumar and all the other accused. Padma Kumar was a former MLA and an active member of ruling CPM, and former Devaswam board commissioner N. Vasu has been arrested earlier. So that is the big update we have right now after questioning former president Padma Kumar. SIT has arrested him, and in fact Shankar is joining us live from Tiruvananthapuram. Shankar, tell us more details please about this arrest that has taken place in the Sabrimala gold theft case. Shankar, can you hear me? Okay, we'll try and reconnect with Shankar. This is a big arrest, a big lead, and a major development in this Sabrimala gold theft case. A big arrest. This is Praveen. This is Padma Kumar we're talking about.
Yes, exactly. Former Devaswam board president and the commissioner M. A. Padma Kumar was arrested.
M. A. Padma Kumar was arrested after 4 hours of interrogation on some minutes back. Earlier, 5 people, including the contractor Unnikrishnan Poti and some officials were arrested. Now, M. Padma Kumar was asked to appear before the prop team in the morning, and he was questioned for 4 hours. And after the interrogation, he was arrested by the prop team. The statements of all the other accused were against him, and he could not deny it. The prop team received crucial evidence against Padma Kumar as he manipulated the register. There was some register, and it was him who was the president of the board when the crime took place. He recorded in the register book that the gold panels which were taken to Chennai were mere copper plates, and the prop team collected the record as a crucial evidence, and he could not deny his involvement in the crime. More people are being questioned by the special investigation team, and the arrest of more officials like the board president S. Jayashree and others will also be taking place soon. Now he will be taken to a court in Pathanamthitta, and the court may remand him in judicial custody for 14 days. Now the other officials, Murari Babu and Sudesh Kumar, provided statements that they acted as per the direction of M. Padma Kumar, and Padma Kumar's role in this case became evident, and the arrest was recorded in very soon.
Many thanks, Shankar, for joining us with the details coming in on that story that we are tracking, viewers. Meanwhile, it's time for a very short break. But